Masters athletes, we have some exciting news for you. In the 2023 duets that are being held here at Renegade Fitness East Tamaki, we have created a new system that is going to make it way more competitive for Masters athletes of all ages and accommodate a much wider age range of Masters athletes in the event. So please have a watch of this following bit of information to see how it's all going to work. So the first step in the process is you just need to find yourself a partner. You just have to have an average age of over 40. So that means that you could have a 35-year-old and a 45-year-old, and therefore you would have an average age of 40, so you can compete as a Masters athlete. The youngest that you can be is 35 years old to compete in this division. The next step is you're going to select your division that you're going to compete in, either the scaled Masters or normal RX Masters. Okay, so obviously the scaled Masters will be a little bit lower skill level, which is going to be a great entry point for a lot of athletes to compete in. Then step 3, this is where it gets interesting. In golf, there's a handicap system which allows different level athletes to compete against each other based on their skill. We're going to be introducing a similar system that allows different level athletes to compete against each other, but it's going to be based on your age. You and your partner's average age will fall into one of the following CrossFit Games age categories. All age groups will still compete against each other on the same leaderboard, but the older your age group, the bigger the head start you'll receive on the leaderboard going into event 1. Essentially, event 0 is going to be your age group. Now, the following is just an example. The exact amount will be determined by the spread of athletes that register. Let's say you fall into the 65 plus category, then you would be starting on 0 points. 60 to 64, 3 points. 55 to 60, 6 points, etc. Remember that lowest combined score across all of your events wins the competition. So it benefits you to be a little bit older because that means you're going to get that little bit of a head start. And then the younger athletes, you guys are going to have to play a bit of catch up over the course of the events on the day.